Hello everyone, today we'll talk about Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a white screen on the application of Brave. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of Brave and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone. So please don't forget to support us.